What if I told you? There's a lake in India that was not created by rivers, not by volcanoes, but by something from outer space. A lake born from a violent cosmic collision. A place so strange, NASA studied it like another planet. A lake that once turned completely pink. And hidden around it are ancient temples, mysterious legends, and signs of a catastrophic impact from thousands of years ago. This is the unbelievable story of Lonar Lake. Deep inside the state of Maharashtra, in western India, lies one of Earth's rarest geological wonders, Lonar Lake. From above, it looks almost unreal. A perfect circular crater surrounded by forest, as if something gigantic punched the Earth itself. And that's exactly what happened. Scientists believe that between 35,000 and 50,000 years ago, possibly even older according to newer studies, a massive meteor traveling at incredible speed crashed directly into this region. The explosion was so powerful, it created a crater nearly 1.8 kilometers wide and over 500 feet deep. Today, water fills that crater, creating one of the only known meteor impact lakes and basalt rock anywhere on Earth. Imagine standing here thousands of years ago. The sky suddenly burns bright. A giant rock from space tears through the atmosphere at hypersonic speed. Within seconds, boom! The impact releases energy greater than multiple nuclear explosions. The ground vaporizes. Rock melts instantly. Shockwaves blast outward, and the Earth collapses inward, forming a giant crater. Scientists later discovered something extremely important here. A rare glass-like material called masclinite. This mineral forms only during extremely high-velocity impacts. That discovery proved Lonar was not volcanic. It was extraterrestrial. For years, geologists debated the crater's origin because it sits inside the Deccan Plateau, a massive volcanic basalt region created millions of years ago. But eventually, the evidence became undeniable. Lonar Lake was born from a meteor strike. But the mystery doesn't end there, because the lake itself is incredibly unusual. The water here is both salty and highly alkaline. In some areas, the pH level reached around 11, close to household bleach. And because the lake has no outlet river, minerals remain trapped inside for thousands of years. Over time, this created an extreme environment filled with strange microorganisms. Some scientists believe these microbes resemble the kinds of life that could survive on Mars. That's one reason NASA and researchers from around the world became interested in Lonar Lake. The crater's basalt rock also resembles volcanic regions found on the Moon. In fact, studies from Indian researchers found similarities between minerals here and lunar rocks brought back during the Apollo missions. Many scientists now call Lonar Earth's mini Mars. The day the lake turned pink. Then in 2020, something bizarre happened. The lake suddenly changed color, from green to bright pink. Satellite images captured the transformation within days. Locals were shocked. Tourists flooded the area. Photos went viral across the internet. Scientists believe the strange pink color was caused by salt-loving microorganisms known as halarkia. As water levels and salinity changed, these microbes produced reddish-pink pigments across the lake. For a moment, the meteor lake looked almost alien. But Lonar Lake isn't only a geological wonder. Hidden around the crater are ancient temples, some over 1,000 years old. Stone stairways descend into the crater walls. Ruins emerge from dense trees. And legends surround the lake. One famous story says, a demon named Lonar once terrorized the region. According to mythology, Lord Vishnu defeated the demon here, creating the crater itself. Some believe the name Lonar came from that legend. Among the most famous temples are Daitya Sudan Temple, Kamalja Devi Temple, Kumareshwar Temple. The combination of cosmic destruction and ancient mythology gives the place an almost supernatural atmosphere. Over thousands of years, nature adapted to this strange crater. Today the area supports migratory birds, peacocks, herons, reptiles, monkeys, rare microorganisms. scientists recorded more than 160 species of birds around the lake. The crater became its own isolated ecosystem, a world inside a world. But today, Lonar Lake faces a serious threat. Recent studies and reports show rising water levels are changing the lake's chemistry. Fresh groundwater entering the crater is reducing the lake's extreme alkalinity. Scientists fear this could destroy the unique microbial life that made the lake so special. Some ancient temples have already started submerging underwater. Pollution, nearby construction, farming activity, and environmental neglect are also threatening the crater. Many experts believe stronger conservation efforts are urgently needed before this extraordinary site changes forever. Lonar Lake is more than just a tourist destination. It is a geological mystery, a natural laboratory, a connection between Earth and space, and proof that our planet still carries scars from ancient cosmic collisions. It reminds us that the universe is not distant. Sometimes, space crashes directly into Earth and leaves behind something unforgettable. A meteor from deep space, an explosion beyond imagination, a lake unlike any other on Earth, and hidden in India for thousands of years, the mysterious Lonar Lake still waits silently inside its ancient crater. Would you visit this place? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this story, subscribe for more mysterious places, hidden history, and unbelievable true events.
See you in the next one.